So, hey girl. Well, yeah, I had a baby shower to go to, so I am like super excited just because a baby's on the way and it's a reason to get beautiful. So, yeah, we're gonna get right into it, get this hair together. So, my hair's starting to get oily, so that means that we gonna try to get it together. So, I'm gonna curl. I might wear a hat, but even still, if I don't wear the hat, at least my hair will be cute and styled. So, but I don't want to wear it like this. So let's get this hair together. Ooh, I'm just so excited. I went out and I had to run to get some stuff for the shower, and then I needed some lash glue, which I was gonna get it from CVS, but the CVS that I live near, like, it didn't have like I don't know, I just didn't want to give them my money for like lash glue and makeup products. So, because there's Ulta nearby. So I'm like, okay, once I got the stuff that I needed from CVS, I ran to Ulta and I went in there for lash glue. But you know, I came out with a bunch of stuff that I was like, oh, I wanted to try this. Oh, I wanted to do this. I wanted to get this. So I can't wait to try those. I'm trying everything. I think I'm going to try everything today and see how everything turns out. So yeah, but I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you everything I got. I got like some cute lashes too. Ooh, yes. So I'm going for like a wavy curly look, but I don't know. I just want my hair to be curled, so nothing specific. And while my curl is cooling off, I got some good old Tresemme hairspray. And if I could get the top off. Ooh. Shower is real. Okay, here we go. Just got out the shower, so I'm all moisturized and smelling good. And this is the extra hold, but not that we need extra hold, but I'm just gonna go far away and spray it like that. But yeah, so I got like the cutest wrapping paper. It was double-sided, so it had like silver on one side and like a cream white on the other side, but I went with the silver side. I got the cutest little blue bow because the baby is a boy, so I got a blue bow. I got like cute little pacifiers, hampers, and like all types of baby stuff. So super cute. And then I got the cutest card with like a little elephant in it. I love elephants. Oh my goodness. So I'm just excited. Like, I'm on the verge of sweating because I'm just happy and excited. Get to spend time with family because it's my man's baby sister. So it'll be family there and music, good food, and just like loving vibes. Like, I'm always here for a good old family vibe. So yeah, super exciting. On top of the fact that I love getting dressed, I love getting ready. Getting ready is by far one of my most favorite processes, like what I'm doing right now and like doing my makeup and stuff for an event ever. Like, I've literally missed events because I'm enjoying getting ready so much. Not that I'm proud of that, but that's how real it is. Just to like, so you get the gist. So yeah. And I love being productive. Like, I was able to also, while I was out, like fill up the gas tank because we have to drive a little bit. So, which also makes this like makeup session fun and kind of like, not challenging, but like fun because I need to be able to make sure my makeup, I put it on now, but it lasts for the drive and the entire time that I'm at the shower. I think the drive is like an hour and a half maybe. And then I'm getting ready now. So it's gonna have to hang in there. So I'm excited to see like how my products do. If I don't get oily the whole time, oh, like I'll be the happiest girl. So that's fun. But yeah. Oh yeah, so I was productive because like although I was like buying, I was able to get stuff for the shower. I was able to get like new products for myself, and I also filled the gas tank up, which was nice. And yeah, came home. I had to get some stuff for my love because he hurt his finger, so I had to get some like stuff for him to clean it and treat it and stuff. So yeah, I was like superwoman, okay? And this hairspray is no joke. Like I'm going far away and the hair is still a little hard. So be careful. Like this hairspray is no joke. I feel like it was low-key the original got to be spray. So yeah, I just love when you get everything you need, everything is flowing. The only thing I couldn't get was like at the Ulta was the Laneige. I wanted to try their like lip balm that's in like a little tube, but they don't have their products there. So I ended up getting, Ulta has something very similar. It looks very similar. So I got the Ulta version. So I'm curious to try that. But yeah, that was like the only thing I couldn't get, but that's not a big deal. I could order it online if I really, really wanted it. I love this curling iron. Like, I reviewed it when I first got it, but I've used it multiple times now, and I just feel like, I didn't realize how much I was missing out when it came to using a curling iron instead of a flat iron. Like, I don't know, as you can see right now, like this process is super easy. So yeah, I love this. But yeah, I think I'm gonna use my Danessa Myricks water powder serum. We're gonna put her to the test today, okay? Cause it's like almost, it's supposed to be 70 degrees today. It's really, really warm. Like, we're gonna see what she can do. Ooh. The hairspray is no joke. And in April, I have 2 baby showers. So we'll be doing more baby shopping. And I got the cutest pink outfits, which if you're seeing this, then you already know the cute dresses and outfits that I got. Like, so adorable. Because everybody else is having girls. So, woo, girls rule. And pink is my favorite color, so it's like, it's nothing for me to buy cute pink outfits. seltzer water with a splash of juice. Elite combo. Boom. And you see the hairspray, the curls are not dropping, like they are holding.